Your doctor just told you 350 is normal, but normal is a lie. The testosterone reference range you're being measured against was created in 1987 using data from sick, obese men. Let me show you why this is the biggest scam in men's health. 1987, that's when they set the reference range. 264 to 916 nanograms per deciliter. The problem? The men they tested were already sick. Obesity epidemic just starting. Processed food everywhere. Sedentary lifestyle becoming the norm. They took sick men, measured their broken hormones, and called it normal. Here's what they didn't tell you. The average testosterone level has dropped 30% since then. 30%. Let me give you the real numbers. The reference range says 264 to 916. But optimal? That's a completely different story. Studies on high-performing men, athletes, men with peak energy, mental clarity, and muscle mass show testosterone levels between 600 and 900. If you're sitting at 350, your doctor looks at the chart and says you're fine. Technically true, you're in the range. But you're comparing yourself to the bottom 20% of a sick population. That's not fine. That's failing. It gets worse, because while testosterone drops 30% in the population, the medical system keeps pretending this is normal. They're not measuring health. They're measuring decline and calling it acceptable. So why do doctors keep using this broken range? 3 reasons. Reason 1, liability. If they diagnose you with low testosterone and you're technically in the reference range, they open themselves up to malpractice claims. Safer to say you're fine. Reason 2, insurance. Insurance companies don't want to pay for testosterone therapy. Your doctor knows this. They're not fighting the system for you. Reason 3, ignorance. Most doctors never updated their training. Here's the part that should make you angry. Men with testosterone at 300 feel like garbage, but they're told they're fine. Men with testosterone at 700 feel incredible. The difference? 400 nanograms. The system ignores that gap. Now here's where it gets interesting. The medical system says you're fine at 300. But TRT clinics say you need treatment. Who's right? Neither. The truth is in the middle. You don't need TRT if you're at 350. But you absolutely need to optimize. Diet, training, sleep, supplements. Natural methods can take you from 350 to 600 in 90 days. But nobody profits from that. So what do? Stop accepting normal. Start demanding optimal. When you get your blood work, don't just look at total testosterone. Look at free testosterone. Look at SHBG. Look at Estradiol. Here's your target. Free testosterone above 10. SHBG between 20 and 30. Estradiol between 20 and 30. If your doctor won't test these markers, find a new doctor. I fix this. 380 to 600 in 12 weeks. No TRT, no doctor, just the protocol. Diet that actually raises testosterone. Training that triggers hormonal response. Sleep optimization that doubles your production. For supplements with actual data behind them, I documented everything. If you're sitting at 300, 350, 400, feeling like garbage while your doctor says you're fine, watch that video. Follow the protocol for 90 days. Get your blood work done. Then come back and tell me if the reference range is normal or if it's the scam I just showed you. The protocol is free. The information is free. The only cost is 90 days of discipline. Click the link. Let's go.